I am of the East, an eager participant of its struggles for liberation from the imperialist yoke. But I also know that the East is afraid of its centuries. The shape of lethargy has bound its life and started moving on where destiny awaits.
For I too am of the West, and the vigorous people of the West have destroyed the peace and quiet of ours. I can no longer live being apart from those worlds. Now trembles the roar of Mount Enchanted, where no man and no nation is an island. There is no longer East and West. Only individuals and nations make the most momentous choices that are hinged upon which is the West. At the vanguard of progress in this part of the world I stand, a foreign figure in the eyes of some, but not one who hated and lost. For through the thick and the race of branches of habit and custom, I have seen the light of the sun, and I know that it is good. I have seen the light of justice, equality, and freedom, and my heart has been lifted by the vision of democracy. I shall not rest until my land and my people shall be blessed by this. Beyond the power of any other nation.
Pero maganda kahit bagyo. Nakapayong pa.
I am a Filipino and this is my inheritance. What then shall I give that I may ground worthy of my inheritance? I shall give the rich that is the importance of the century.
Tulo to the max.
And it shall be compounded by joy as of marmalade forbears. When it first saw the road to the land, it should be for the eyes.
Para tayong loko.
The battle cries and have established in every place of combat. From a plan to be advanced. Of the voices of mighty colleges sing. Oyong magiging, where can see the kanan, alam ng puso, sa dilim mo'y buhay, lupang hilihang, tuyang ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlumuhin, di ka pa sisigil, sa dagat at tundok, sa simulan, sa langit mo'y bugaw, may dilakan tulad, awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang isang ng magawat mo'y nagumpay na nagdidilim, ang bituin at araw ng kailan bang may pinagdidilim, lupa ng araw ng luwag ipasinta, buhay langit sa akin mo, ang ikilang may mga apil, ang mamatay lang
Tayong tayo.
Malungkot yung mga bata kasi nila.
Magaling kasi yung plema. Yes, sindihan mo na yung ilong. Huwag ka balilin.
Ito na lang ang
Madam. Dilim na, paano makita yun? Ang dilim. Dami pasaway.